Crying is a part of human life. People cry because of extreme emotional state, whether they are sad or happy. There are many types of tears, such as tears that protect eyes from debris, tears because of irritants, and emotional tears. But there is a big question mark: how an emotional state of human can lead to the tears production? What are the content of this tears? Why we feel relaxed after cry? And this is Mr. 5 Minutes. Crying tears produced in response to that strong emotion you may experience from stress, pleasure, anger, sadness and physical pain. Tears are colorless despite of any eye's color. Well, tears produced by tear gland connected to your eyeball. This tear gland actually stimulated by a special part of the brain called the limbic system. This limbic system is part of the hypothalamus section of the brain. A neurotransmitter called acetylcholine has a degree of control over the lacrimal tear system, and it is this tiny molecule which then stimulates tear production. So in short, your emotional reaction to the breakup triggers your nervous system, which in turn orders your tear-producing system to activate. You produce fewer natural tears as you get older, which is why dry eyes are more common in older adults. Emotional tears are mainly contain water, salt, fatty oils, and over 1,500 different proteins. There are also electrolytes, and these tears include sodium, which gives tears their characteristic salty taste, bicarbonate, chloride, and potassium. Emotional tears even contain a natural painkiller, called leucine and enkephalin-. Perhaps part of the reason why you might feel better after a good cry. Crying doesn't just make your face wet, or your non-waterproof mascara become a form of combatant face paint. It in fact has a whole host of other effects. Your heart rate increases, you sweat, your breathing slows, and you can get a lump in your throat, known as the globus sensation. This all occurs as a result of your sympathetic nervous system activating in response to your emotional extreme situation, and any psychic tear-producing one for that matter. When it comes to those still fresh in the world, babies use crying more than just a means of emotional expression, but as a form of communication to us grown-ups. Now the interesting thing about crying is that people who cry frequently often become a person who naturally can control their stress, while the one who hardly cries eventually becomes a person who has issues with stress management.